14 million jobs will disappear in the next 5 years.
3 out of 5 workers feel AI could take their jobs.
AI is far more dangerous.
There are worries and confusion in the world about AI, especially after invention of ChatGPT. People are much worried that AI will take their jobs, because AI is much more advanced than human being. So is AI really going to replace your job? I don't think so, and the answer is economy. If we look at AI from technological perspective, then AI is much more advanced, but if we look at AI from economical angle, then it is not matter of concern. Ultimate goal of all technological advancement is to make money. Here I will discuss step by step, how in spite of being technologically advanced, AI will not help that much to create wealth, but it will disrupt economy in many ways. So here we go. Number 1, company's business model. Suppose you are a software engineer, working in a service-based company. You know very well how your company make money from clients. It does not sell software solution to clients. It sells time. If there are 10 members developing a software, and it is taking 1 week or 40 hours to develop that software, then your company will charge money for 400 hours from clients. Now if your company start using AI like ChatGPT, then it will be done in few seconds and client will not pay for 400 hours. In the same way, some industries heavily rely on human touch, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making, aspects that AI, despite its advancements, still struggles to replicate convincingly. Moreover, the customization and fine-tuning required for AI systems to effectively address industry-specific nuances and unique customer preferences can be time-consuming and expensive, making it less feasible for businesses with limited resources. Ethical considerations and the potential for bias in AI algorithms also raise concerns, as they can negatively impact brand reputation and customer trust. Furthermore, the rapid pace of AI development may lead to obsolescence of AI solutions, rendering significant investments obsolete in a short span. Lastly, some industries thrive on human creativity, unpredictability, and interpersonal connections, qualities that remain beyond the reach of AI. In these cases, maintaining a human-centric approach might prove more sustainable and profitable for businesses than an over-reliance on AI. Number 2, heavy dependency on few platforms. Let's assume your company started using few AI platform like ChatGPT, Midjourney for its business. Now one day, server of those platform become down, and your company's work will stop. If there were its own employee, it would not happen and business operation would continue. Relying heavily on a few AI platforms is not advisable due to several compelling reasons. Firstly, such dependence creates a significant vulnerability to disruptions, whether technical glitches, outages, or sudden changes in platform policies. This can lead to operational halts and business interruptions, jeopardizing productivity and revenue streams. Additionally, monopolistic control by a handful of platforms stifles competition and innovation, limiting diversity in AI solutions and potentially locking businesses into a narrow set of functionalities that might not fully align with their unique needs. Data privacy and security concerns also escalate when a few platforms amass vast amounts of sensitive information, making them attractive targets for cyberattacks or unauthorized access. The lack of interoperability and standardized data formats among platforms can result in data silos and inhibit smooth data sharing, collaboration, and system integration. Lastly, a dependence on a small number of platforms diminishes the ability to negotiate favorable terms, potentially leading to higher costs over time. Diversifying AI sources encourages a more robust ecosystem, fosters innovation, and hedges against the risks associated with a single-point failure in an organization's AI strategy. Number 3, responsibility of mistakes. If you are a coder, driver, factory worker, or even a CEO, when you make a mistake, you take responsibility of it. But if AI make mistake, it will not take responsibility. If AI make production issue in a software, or a self-driving car accident in road, or a patient died due to surgery by AI surgeon, who will take responsibility of mistakes? AI's inability to take responsibility for mistakes is a significant limitation that stems from its inherent nature as a tool designed by humans. Despite AI's impressive capabilities, it lacks true consciousness, self-awareness, and ethical understanding. Consequently, when errors occur, the onus falls on the developers, data sources, and the implementation process itself rather than the AI system itself. This raises ethical and accountability concerns, particularly in high-stakes applications like healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles. In situations where AI makes incorrect decisions, biases, or misinterpretations, there's often no mechanism for the AI to comprehend, acknowledge, or rectify its errors. This highlights the crucial role of human oversight, transparency, ongoing monitoring, and continuous improvement to mitigate risks and ensure that AI technologies are deployed responsibly and ethically. Number 4, demand-supply paradox. If companies opt to replace human employees with AI-driven automation, a chain reaction of economic repercussions could unfold. The displacement of workers would potentially lead to widespread unemployment, resulting in a significant reduction in people's disposable income. This, in turn, would lead to decreased consumer spending, causing a decline in demand for goods and services. On the flip side, the implementation of AI would likely enhance production efficiency, leading to an increase in supply. With less demand and heightened supply, market forces would drive prices down. As prices decrease and profit margins thin due to reduced consumer spending, companies might struggle to maintain profitability. This intricate interplay of factors highlights the delicate balance between technological advancement, employment, consumer demand, and market stability, underscoring the need for thoughtful and strategic approaches to AI integration in the workforce. Number 5, invisible hand. The concept of the invisible hand in the market, popularized by economist Adam Smith, postulates that individuals pursuing their self-interest unintentionally contribute to the overall good of society through the market mechanism. In the era of AI, the invisible hand's role may evolve as technology disrupts traditional economic paradigms. While AI has the potential to enhance efficiency, streamline operations, and create innovative products and services, its widespread adoption could lead to workforce displacement and income inequality. The invisible hand may still drive market forces, with AI influencing supply, demand, and pricing dynamics. However, proactive measures such as upskilling, reskilling, and social safety nets might be required to ensure that the benefits of AI are broadly distributed and that the invisible hand continues to foster prosperity and societal well-being amidst technological transformation. Number 6, emotional unavailability. The inherent emotional unavailability of AI presents a unique advantage for humans in retaining their jobs, particularly in roles that require empathy, complex interpersonal interactions, and emotional intelligence. While AI excels at tasks involving data analysis, pattern recognition, and efficiency optimization, it lacks the genuine emotional understanding and nuanced responses that humans naturally possess. This limitation makes certain professions, such as counseling, therapy, healthcare, and creative arts, better suited for human involvement. The emotional depth and authentic connections humans offer in these fields cannot be replicated by AI. Consequently, the proliferation of AI could actually reinforce the importance of human-centric roles that demand empathy, compassion, and emotional engagement, ensuring the preservation of jobs that rely on the uniquely human capacity to understand and connect on emotional levels. In future, the coexistence of AI and human jobs emerges as a harmonious blend of innovation and tradition. While AI promises unparalleled efficiency, data analysis, and automation, it remains bound by its limitations. The absence of emotional intelligence, creative insight, and genuine empathy. These very attributes define the essence of human roles in fields like art, healthcare, education, and interpersonal relationships. As AI continues to augment our capabilities and reshape industries, the symbiotic relationship between human expertise and AI's computational prowess becomes evident. The key lies in adaptation, humans upskilling to collaborate with AI, and AI enhancing its capabilities to complement human ingenuity. This coevolution allows us to harness the strengths of both realms, fostering a future where AI empowers us to tackle unprecedented challenges while cherishing the irreplaceable essence of humanity.